Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I took my lashes off, so I feel like a naked mole right now. And I didn't put any makeup on because I have been cleaning and editing. And I'm about to clean some more because I have clothes everywhere, but especially in my bedroom. So I'm gonna try and get all that up because I want to put up my Vampire Diaries tree. I do think I shared that last year. I don't know if I ended up sharing the full finished product. I think I did, but I do remember sharing getting the tree because I got a black tree. So I'm gonna put that up again in the bedroom. And last year I didn't put up my pink Christmas tree in my makeup room. So I'm gonna do that. And then the living room tree eventually, but it is already December 2nd, right? Yeah, the 2nd. And I don't have any Christmas things up, but I'm about to cook supper. So I thought that I would show y'all what it is. It is super easy, nothing special, but still thought that I would share. Just about every time I get groceries, I get one of these. So it is just a tenderloin and it's already seasoned and everything. This is the Smithfield and I really like the slow roasted golden rotisserie flavor, but they have a few different flavors, but this one is my favorite. So I just put this in a pan in aluminum foil and then I wrap it up. But lately I have been adding a bell pepper to it just to add a little something. So I'm going to do that really quick. And then I got some asparagus, but my husband doesn't really like asparagus. So I'm going to cook that and some broccoli too. But I'm going to fix that up and then I will show you. And yes, these liquid IVs are still sitting there. I have yet to put those up. One thing at a time. I'm trying to clean the bedroom first and then I will move into the kitchen living room area. But I'm going to start that and then I will show you. Okay, so if y'all can see, I just cut the bell peppers into strips like this. I just did one and then I just put it around the edges. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. Now that I have everything cut up, I'm gonna add some olive oil, and this is my all-time favorite olive oil. I got it in Covington. This is my second huge bottle, but my third bottle altogether, I think. I got a smaller bottle the first time and loved it so much, so I got the huge bottle. This is the biggest they sell, I think. And then last time I was there, I got a refill, and it's from Town Square Olive Oil and Balsamic Vinegars. They do have a website, so I will link it down below, but if y'all are ever in Covington, definitely stop by. I have shared it before, but they have little cups of breads where you can go around and sample all the olive oils and balsamic vinegars that they have. But this is the sun-dried tomato Parmesan. And yeah, it is my favorite. And then they do have these little spouts that you can get. So I just always drizzle this. And then my husband found this truffle salt at Kroger, I think. I have been using some of this on the vegetables as well. But normally I just do sea salt. I have this Himalayan pink salt. Yes, I got it because it was pink. And then I will do pepper and garlic powder. Usually put quite a bit of that. And then sometimes I'll put Italian seasoning, but I'm actually out of that. And that's all I do. So that is all that I'm cooking for dinner today. Nothing fancy. It's just quick and easy, which is my favorite. But I did want to show y'all in case you need a quick and easy meal idea. So yeah, the thing that took the longest was probably just cutting all these up, and that didn't really take long at all. But I don't really know what else. This might be another short vlog, but the other day when I said it was short, it still ended up being, I think, 10 minutes. But I guess that is still kind of short. But I might show y'all the disaster that is on my bed of all my clothes. So I may do that, but I think I'm done editing for today. And yes, I have this same sweatshirt on, but I don't think I really have anything else to share with y'all today. I have just been editing and cleaning. I might do a little time lapse of me putting up all of my clothes, and I might show y'all the disaster that is my bed, where I have all the clothes that I need to hang up. And I'm finally unpacking from Florida, and it has been 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, which I think that might be a record, because I usually, the way I unpack normally is wear all the clothes out, but they are warm weather clothes that I have packed. So if I did that, I wouldn't unpack until spring, and I need that suitcase out of my floor. So I'm going to finish cleaning, I think, and put on the Vampire Diaries, because I've shared this a ton, but if I want to watch something or just have something on the TV where I don't have to pay attention, it's always the Vampire Diaries. Plus, y'all know that is my decorating show, so I thought that I would just go ahead and start it while I was cleaning, get in the Christmas decorating spirit. But yeah, I'm going to go clean, and yeah, so I guess come clean with me.